A guy asked this question this morning: what's the easy way to take my post that I made on LinkedIn and get it in front of more people so that I can get more reach and more engagement and help more people with my post? Let me show you a couple ideas that you can use in this video. So first I'm going to go to my content. Click on me, go down here, it says post and activity. On post and activity, I'm going to click on my post. So if I want this post to be seen by more people, then one way to do it would be to mention them in a comment. Could come down here on any one of these, either a comment or a reply, and I could tag someone at Martha. Have you been getting many fake invites lately? Now, when I hit post, this comment is going to show up in notifications for Martha. It's going to get Martha to click on that notifications and come back and look at this post, which will increase the impressions and potentially increase the engagement on this post. That's one way to do that, is to mention someone in a comment or in a reply on the post. Now here's something else you can do. The other thing I could do is I could send this directly. So I could hit send and I could type in Martha's name. There she is there. And I could send this to Martha, or when I get I could also send it if I want to Rebecca. And I can send it to Randy. And it's queuing these up to send this to these folks. I'm not creating a group. I'm sending an individual message. Let me repeat. I'm sending this post to these 3 people, first level connections only. I am not creating a group post. It's going to be an individual post for each of them. And then I can put a message down here and tell them that I'm just testing sharing content. And they'll just ignore that. But if I really wanted them to see it, I may say something to the effect of, what do you think about this situation? Not what do you think about this post, not will you read my post for me please, but instead, what do you think about the content of this post? And then send separately. Again, I'm not doing a group post, and I can send this out to them. And I just sent 3 messages. You can see 1 of 3 right here from the send item. Now, 2 ways I've showed you. I could comment or reply to the post and tag someone or tag people who are relevant to the post. Second thing I've showed you is how I can hit send and send a direct message to individuals to see that post. The third thing I could do is I could copy the link to the post. And once I copy the link to the post, I can share that on Facebook and an email message in my newsletter. I could share it on Quora. I could share it, on Reddit or Tumblr. Any other place I want to, I can share the link to that post. As long as it's got the globe, it's global content, which means global content. Anybody can see it from anywhere, even if they're not logged in to LinkedIn. There's the post. Now, they can't engage on it yet because they're not signed into LinkedIn, but once they are signed into LinkedIn, then they could engage on the content that you share with them. 3 really easy ways of taking a post and getting it in front of the people that you want to have engage on the content. And probably a better way of thinking of that, let me say another way, 3 very useful ways of getting a piece of content in front of someone who you think it could create value for. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.